Before we move to the final section of this course, we should circle back and re-emphasize the importance of scheduling in social media.
Social media pros, SEMrush marketers among them, know that success in social media campaigns is all attributable to planning and effective time use.
For this reason, SEMrush created the Marketing Calendar tool. The calendar allows you to group in one place all your marketing activities by goals within campaigns.
There are 3 steps we suggest you take when creating your first social media campaign with SEMrush. Remember, the bigger your team, the more important the planning becomes. In fact, it can even mean the difference between smashing success or an abysmal failure.
We recommend you set your goals, budget, target audience, and other campaign-related information. Then add all the marketing assets you need to run your campaign. And finally, discuss your campaign's progress with your team.
Let's run to our Showtime campaign.
To get started, head to the Management section in the SEMrush sidebar on the left. We begin by clicking the Marketing Calendar and then clicking the New Campaign button. Also, you can add another calendar if you have a business-level plan. Enter the campaign title and set the dates for the campaign and assign it a color. Click the Campaigns tab, which will give you an overview of multiple campaigns, including the duration of each campaign and the number of tasks. Now let's add an activity to our campaign. Activities would include tasks like sending emails, publishing blog posts, or launching a new landing page. To add one, just click the plus button on the right. By entering a name for an activity, we can then edit its details by clicking the Open in Editor button. Here we can set the status of an activity and its due date, and add tags, attachments, and comments. Also, we can add tasks for that activity and assign a team member to a certain task. By clicking the Set Recurrence button within our activity, we can create recurring activities within our marketing calendar. Importantly, click the Gear button, then the Notification Settings button. And then you can set an app and email notification for task updates or campaign and activity updates, and mentions and comments. Also, you can import ICS files from existing calendars into other applications. ICS is a common extension for iCalendar files, which are used to send calendar data. The extension is supported by several tools, such as Google Calendar and Apple Calendar. Just a couple of recommendations here. First, have a look at the user manual by clicking the link at the top right of the Marketing Calendar tool. It will answer any questions we might have not answered here. Second, if you need to export the calendar, click the Export CSV button from the Calendar tab. The calendar will download in a spreadsheet-compatible file. So, in this lesson, we have used the Marketing Calendar to organize our marketing campaign's actions and share them with the team. Now you know how to maximize your planning opportunities with SEMrush. See you in the next video, where we will discuss the final step of your social media campaign management.